YouTube, it's Eric Hammer, the man in the hat. Here you go. So today I want to talk to you about a way to make money from your junk mail. Literally, you get junk mail in the mail, your physical mail, you get emails, junk emails. You can make money off of it. It's totally legit, completely incredible stuff. I'm going to be talking to you about it in just 1 minute. In the meantime, if you are new to the channel, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man in the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere I go, and I'm one of the few people who can actually pull one off successfully. Um, and here on the channel, I do two things. I do these free kind of training videos, sharing with you ideas on how to make money online or how to grow a business online. I also do reviews of software and info products in the make money online niche so that you don't have to, because there frankly is a lot of crap out there, and I want to make sure that you don't end up buying junk. So I review the stuff that's actually good quality, tell you all about it, tell you why it's good, and if I like it, I'm going to give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't like it, well, better luck next time. Now, if you are new to the channel, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. I drop new videos pretty much every single day. And I think you're really going to love being a member of the tribe. And with that said, let's get right to it. Let's roll the intro. Okay, so the website that I found, first of all, unfortunately, it's only available for Americans. I apologize. I know that I have a lot of viewers in other parts of the world. I'm actually living in Israel myself. I am an American, born and raised in New York, but I moved to Haifa, Israel about, 10 years now. Anyway, that said, this is a really cool program, and I really like it quite a little bit. So let's take a quick look at it. This is called SBKC, SBK Center. That's the website, sbkcenter.com. Okay. The Small Business Knowledge Center. Okay, so what exactly is the Small Business Knowledge Center? So if you are a consumer, which means you and me, ordinary people who get junk mail, everybody gets junk mail, totally... You know, like it's just that's the way things are. We all get junk mail, especially email junk mail, and you also get plenty of direct mail. So here's how it works. Basically, what you do is you go and sign up over here. Okay, and let's click Learn More and take a quick look. And you can join now. And basically, all you're going to do is you're going to fill out a profile. Okay. They're going to ask you for some details about who you are, etc., etc., etc.
Yada, yada, yada.
Here, just like this. So let's go through it. Okay, we'll put my US address, obviously. Okay. For method of contact, email. Alright. Obviously, I can't really do this because I'm not in the U.S., but we'll take a look and see anyway. Maybe it'll let me just do emails. Okay, rent, credit score. Well, yes, for a lot of details here. Yeah, well. Yep. Internet marketing. Okay. Oh, let's see. Other. Found you on YouTube, actually, which anybody who is looking at it is going to be referred for me on YouTube. Enter my email. Whoops. Okay. There you go. Alright. No additional members to add. Okay. Okay, that's pretty much it. They are going to send me a message if I'm approved. Pretty simple stuff. And once you are approved, basically all you do is you forward them all your junk emails as well as any physical direct mail that you've gotten in the mailbox. You forward it out to them, and you accumulate points. So basically what you're going to get from these guys is going to be a prepaid Visa card. that you can spend like any regular Visa card. Very simple stuff. What they'll do is they'll send you prepaid envelopes that you can package up all of your junk mail into it and forward it to them. And they'll send you an email address that you can forward everything to as well.
You've got mail.
So here it says right here, direct mail, place your qualified direct mail and postpaid envelopes we provide. Return them to us about once a week. Force your qualifying emails or bonuses for referring friends and participating in prayer opportunities. So pretty much that's what it is. You're not going to make a lot of money off of this, but hey, money's money, right? Frequent participants can earn as much as $20 in points every 6 to 10 weeks. So it's some nice extra side money. Not a living, but it's extra cash, and literally anybody could do it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, be notified when new videos drop, because frankly, subscribe doesn't really mean much here on YouTube anymore. And I will see you in the next video.